We had a muted kind of a start. We still had the defense stocks doing very, very well. So what's your take? Any other picks within defense that you like?
Yes, most of the defense names are again getting back into the limelight. There was a time few days back, clearly, the month of May initially when the Indo-Pak escalation was at its peak, these names were doing very well. Then came a lull phase, and today again you are seeing a pickup in momentum in most of the names. So if you were to look at the mid-cap space, Cochin Shipyard and Mazagon Dock again are showing a good intent of a bounce back. So these are more short-term trading bets. If you were to look at Cochin Shipyard, 2000 is a good strong support, and 2600 is possibly where the short-term upside can be targeted in this stock. Whereas for Mazagon Dock, 3100 is a support base, and possibly the stock is heading for its swing high of around 3650 to 3800 zone.
Okay, and what's your take on IT, Akshay, and in particular Infosys, because top loser on the Nifty, but also top loser on the Nifty IT. Also, second part to that question, there are some stocks which are standing out, which Neeraj flagged off, something like a Coforge, something like a Persistent within the Nifty IT pack, but even outside of that, some IT play is looking half decent on a day like this. Your sense with regard to a couple of those plays?
For today, I believe there is some bit of the pain point in the IT names, primarily because of the Accenture results. It is having more of a side effect on most of the IT names. But if you were to look at the broader placement on the price charts, I think the mid-cap IT names or some other names which you just mentioned, those are the stocks you can look forward to. So specifically, since you asked about Infosys, Infosys right now is in a more of a neutral setup. 1650 is a very massive resistance if you're a short-term trader, and that level has to be overcome for some major gains. So right now 1550, 1650 is the range which we are expecting Infosys will be. So there is no trade building up as yet, but clearly stocks like a Coforge or a Persistent which you mentioned, these are better placed. With Coforge possibly might reattempt to get to 2000 or try to break out above those levels. There is a good strong support at 1750. And as far as Persistent technology goes, a similar strong technical setup here where the stock can see a rebound from the current zone and possibly look to get past the levels of 6500, 6600 zone. But right now we are targeting 6500 with a stop loss below 5800. So Persistent and Coforge are the better placed stocks on the technical charts in the IT pack.
Okay. Now, Akshay, stay on. So much more to talk about.